prime numbers and composite number. Prime number definition: a number which has only two factors, one and number itself, is called a prime number. Prime number means मूळ संख्या. मूळ संख्या कशाला म्हणतात? ज्या संख्येचे फक्त दोनच विभाजक असतात. पहिला विभाजक हा एक आणि दुसरा विभाजक तीच संख्या, असे दोनच विभाजक असतील तर त्या संख्येला आपण मूळ संख्या म्हणतो. A number which has only two factors, one and number itself, is called a prime number. And then composite number म्हणजे संयुक्त संख्या. A number which has more than two factors is called a composite number. ज्या संख्येला दोन पेक्षा जास्त विभाजक असतात त्या संख्येला आपण संयुक्त संख्या म्हणतो. Remember this, one is a number which is neither prime nor composite. एक ही संख्या अशी आहे जी मूळही नाही आणि संयुक्तही नाही. Now problem set 34. In problem set 34, first example, write all prime numbers between 1 and 20. You know, prime numbers have only two factors. One is neither prime nor composite. 2 is a prime number. This number is even prime number. दोन ही संख्या समही आहे आणि मूळ आहे, अशी एकमेव संख्या आहे जी सम आहे आणि मूळ आहे. 2. You know the factors of 2. First is 1 and then 2, then 3, 5, 7. Now you know the factors of these numbers. Factors of 3, 1 and 3. Factors of 5, 1 and 5. Like this. 2, 3, 5, 7. And then 11, 13, 17 and 19 are the prime numbers between 1 and 20. Second question, write all the composite numbers between 21 and 50. आपल्याला काय लिहायचं याच्यामध्ये? कंपोजिट नंबर्स म्हणजे संयुक्त संख्या. मूळ संख्या सोडून ज्या संख्या असतील त्यांना आपण संयुक्त संख्या म्हणतो. आफ्टर 21, 22 is a composite number because this number is divisible by 2 and 11. 23 is a prime number. 24 is a composite number. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 is prime number. Then 30, 31 is prime. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37 is prime. 38, 39, 40, 41 and 43, 47 are the prime numbers. 42, 44, 45, 46, 48, 49 are the composite numbers between 21 and 50. You write down in your notebook. Prime numbers between 1 and 100. Which are the numbers in 1 to 100 that are primes? You write down in your notebook. These are the prime numbers in 1 to 100. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. You learn these numbers. There are 25 prime numbers in 1 to 100. Then co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers means सहमूळ संख्या. Co-prime means सहमूळ संख्या. Write down the definition. Numbers which have only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. ज्या संख्यांना फक्त एकच सामायिक अवयव असतो किंवा सामायिक विभाजक असतो त्या संख्यांना काय म्हटलं जातं? को-प्राइम नंबर्स म्हणजे सहमूळ संख्या. सहमूळ संख्या म्हणजे अशा संख्या ज्यामध्ये फक्त एकच सामायिक विभाजक असतो किंवा सामायिक अवयव असतो. प्रॉब्लेम सेट 35. In problem set 35, question is determine the given pairs are co-prime or not. First example is 22 and 24. How to solve or how to determine the given pair is a co-prime pair or not? First, factors of 22. You know how to write the factors of given number. Factors of 22 are 1, 2, 11 and 22. And then factors of 24. First factor is 1. Then next is 2, 3, 4, 6. See students, in these tables 24 comes. 24 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. And then write down the common factors. Common factors means in these two numbers which factor is common. First factor common is 1 and second is 2. Common factors are 1 and 2. See, in the definition only one is common factor, then the pair is co-prime numbers, or these numbers are co-prime. In these two numbers common factor is only 1 and with 1 here is 2, means these two numbers has common factor 1 and 2, means these two numbers are not co-prime numbers. 22 and 24 are not co-prime numbers. When in common factors we get only 1, then the pair is co-prime pair. Remember this. How to determine the given pair is co-prime. And then next examples in problem set. Next example in problem set 35. 14 and 21. Given pair is 14 and 21. Factors of 14. You know now how to write the factors of given number. First factor of 14 is 1. Next is 2, 7 and 14. Factors of 21. 1, 3, 7 and 21. These are the factors of 14 and 21. And then write down the common factors. Which are the common factors in these two numbers? 1 and 7. These are the common factors. Here is next common factor is 7, means 14 and 21 are not co-prime numbers. Now you know how determine is a given pair co-prime or not. Third example, 10 and 33. First write the factors of 10. Factors of 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. Then factors of 33, 1, 3, 11 and 33. Common factors. Which are the common factors in these two factors? Only 1. Means 1 is a common factor. Only one common factor in these two numbers. Means these numbers are co-prime numbers. 10 and 33 are co-prime numbers. एक हा एकच सामायिक अवयव असेल तर आपण त्या संख्यांना काय म्हणतो? सहमूळ संख्या. बघा या दोन संख्यांच्या अवयवामध्ये फक्त एकच असा आहे की तो कॉमन आहे. असं असेल तर त्या संख्यांना काय म्हटलं जातं? सहमूळ संख्या. यामध्ये आणि याच्यामध्ये फरक लक्षात घ्या. Here 1 is only one common factor and here the next common factor is 7. If we get the next common factor, this pair is not co-prime pair. And then the fourth example, 11, 30. First write factors of 11. 1, 11. 11 is a prime number, means factors of 11 are 1 and 11. Factors of 30. First factor is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and last is 30. Which are the common factors? Only 1. Means 11 and 30 are co-prime numbers. Like this, you solve the remaining example in problem set 35. Do practice very well. Solve the remaining examples and do practice.